Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts in QuickBooks Online. Reconciling ensures your QuickBooks records match your actual bank statements, helping you catch errors and keep your books accurate. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Transactions. This section houses all your financial activity and account management tools. From the submenu that appears, select Reconcile. This is where you'll match your QuickBooks records with your bank statements. Next, you'll need to choose which account you're reconciling. Click on the Account drop-down menu and select the bank or credit card account you want to work with. This tells QuickBooks exactly which account's transactions you'll be reviewing. Now it's time to enter your statement details. Look at your bank or credit card statement and locate the ending balance. Enter this number in the ending balance field in QuickBooks. Then enter the ending date exactly as it appears on your statement. These two pieces of information set the parameters for your reconciliation. Before moving forward, verify that the beginning balance in QuickBooks matches the beginning balance shown on your statement. If these don't match, you may have an issue from a previous reconciliation that needs addressing. Once everything looks correct, click Start Reconciling. This will pull up a list of all transactions within your statement period. Here's where the detailed work begins. Compare each transaction on your bank statement to the list of transactions QuickBooks displays. For every transaction that matches between your statement and QuickBooks, check the circle next to it to mark it as cleared. This tells QuickBooks that transaction has been verified. As you work through the list, you may notice transactions that don't match or are missing entirely. Take time to add any missing transactions or correct errors for those that don't align properly. This step is crucial for maintaining accurate records. Keep an eye on the difference counter as you check off transactions. When the difference between your statement and QuickBooks reaches exactly $0, you've successfully matched everything. At this point, click Finish Now to complete the reconciliation. Your account is now reconciled and your records are confirmed accurate. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.